Hello. It is later in the afternoon. I've eaten lunch, taught a little algebra class. You guys just took a test, and here we are doing the next lesson. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Sometimes I can't finish a lesson in one sitting. So we just finished talking about blueberries and earnings, like summer earnings, I think. Noah and summer earnings. And we talked about how the equations are the same and different. Okay. So let's move on to the next little topic, car prices. The tax on the sale of a car in Michigan is 6%. At a dealership in Ann Arbor, a car purchase also involves $120 in miscellaneous charges. There are several quantities in this situation. The original car price, sales tax, miscellaneous charges, and total price. Write an equation to describe the relationship between all the quantities when the original car price is $9,500. So when you buy a car, you pay for the car. You pay for the sales tax on the car. And sometimes those miscellaneous fees. Okay. So here, if the original price of the car is $9,500, the total price is going to be $9,500 plus the sales tax times $9,500 plus 120. Let's write it here. Total price, $9,500 plus the sales tax on the $9,500, which we have to multiply the tax times the $9,500 plus the miscellaneous cost. I'm erasing. There we go. Okay, so that represents the equation describes the relationship between all the quantities when the original car price is $9,500. Okay, how about when the original car price is $14,699? Same thing. The total price is going to be the original price plus the sales tax, which we have to multiply, the tax times the original price to get us how much we owe in sales tax, plus the miscellaneous cost. Okay. The total price is $22,480. Now we don't know anything else, but we do know the total cost is $22,480, and that's going to be equal to that's going to be equal to the original price, which we're going to say is P, plus the sales tax times P plus 120. And then the original price is P. We don't know anything. Total price is the original price plus sales tax plus 120. Okay, so again, we went from knowing everything to, like, we knew all of the details in A, and B, we knew all the details again. In C, we didn't know the original purchase price of the car. And in D, we didn't know anything except sales tax. Okay, I need to pause. I have to charge my little tablet thing or I'm going to run out of ink space. Just a second. All right, so we have all of those answered. How would each equation you wrote change if the tax on the car sales is R% and the miscellaneous charges are M dollars? Well, we would just say for the first one, let's see if I can get them both in the window. Yeah, we'd have T equals 9,500 plus R, but it's R percent, so I actually need to change that into a decimal. So I'd have to put it R over 100, because here the sales tax was 6%. I put it over 100 to get 0.06, and I used the 0.06 in my equation. So we'd have R over 100 times 9,500 plus M. Okay, it's M dollars. We don't know what it is. The next one, again, T equals 14,699 plus R over 100 times 14,699 plus M. Okay, nothing too big. Okay, the next one, I have 22,480 equals the original purchase price plus the interest rate, or tax rate, sorry, the tax rate times the purchase price plus M. We're taking out more and more information. We're representing more and more dollar values or more and more numbers with letters, because then the equation is more useful in other situations. D would be T plus P, T equals P plus tax over 100 times P plus M. Okay. This is when I would say, are there any questions? Okay. And if there are, you just have to like put a Post-it note on it or put a big old star next to it in highlighter saying like, Miss Carly, what happened here? And ask me the next day. I'd be happy to answer it and try to work through it with you. Truly. All right, so let's look at this. Okay, I've got two different equations. In the first equation, what quantities do we know? We know the original price, the sales tax, the original price, and the miscellaneous. Okay, we do not know how much we've spent totally, but we can get there by doing this math. Okay, that's useful when we know all the information. Okay, in the other equation, we only know the sales tax and the miscellaneous fees. This equation is very useful if we're comparing a bunch of cars. We want to know exactly how much we're going to spend for a bunch of different cars.